Yuda, where's the octopus? Where is it? Where's the octopus?
Octopus. Pick up.
Where's the octopus? Where is it? Where is the octopus? Where's the octopus? Yay, that's the octopus. Where'd you pick up the octopus, Yuda? Octopus. How about the pig? Do you know where the pig is? Where's the pig? Pig. Good boy. How about shark? Where's the shark? Where is it? Where's the shark? That was the octopus. The shark was right there. How about alligator? Where's alligator? Alligator. Alligator. Good. How about monkey? Where's monkey? Where's monkey? Monkey. All right. Monkey. Okay, what is that? Octopus?
That's what he's holding in his hand.
All right, bye.